Hey everyone, welcome back to Information House. If you're into van life, overlanding, boats, or workshop heating, today's episode is for you. We're diving into the top 5 best 12V diesel heaters of 2025. These units run off 12-volt power, burn diesel fuel, and are ideal when you want reliable, efficient heat without relying on mains electricity. We'll walk you through key features to look for, such as heat output, fuel and power consumption, noise levels, altitude capability, installation tips, and then I'll count down my top picks with direct links in the description so you can check pricing and availability. Whether you're building a camper van, prepping a boat, or keeping your workshop warm, stick around. These heaters make a big difference in comfort during cold mornings. Let's get started. LSEQJ 12-volt 7-kilowatt diesel heater, powerful 7-kilowatt diesel heater for efficient heating. This high-performance diesel air heater is designed to keep your truck, RV, or boat cabin warm and comfortable even in freezing weather. Featuring a low-temperature resistant LCD display with ST chip control, it offers real-time monitoring, automatic fault alerts, and stable operation. Built with flame-retardant plastic and aviation plug connectors, it ensures safety, durability, and secure wiring. The 3-in-1 Smart Mode combines high-altitude operation up to 6,000 meters, fuel-saving technology, reduces consumption by 43%, and automatic carbon cleaning, all in one button. With auto thermostat control, high-temperature alarm, 265 degrees, and a dual-drive function for consistent heating in all conditions, this all-in-one diesel heater is your perfect winter companion for any adventure. Number 4, Rocket RO NF205A Stay Warm Anywhere with the 8-kilowatt diesel air heater. This powerful 8-kilowatt heater runs on diesel fuel and supports 12 volts or 110-volt power, delivering fast, efficient heat even in extreme cold, from -104 bar to +104 bar. With a fuel consumption of just 0.14 to 0.4 liters per hour, it's built for long, economical operation. Thanks to its low-noise design featuring a silent fan and improved low-frequency oil pump, you can enjoy quiet, comfortable warmth all night. The ceramic spark plug technology ensures fast heating and low emissions, making it both eco-friendly and energy efficient. Control it easily using the LCD display or remote control. Preheat your vehicle before you even step inside. Perfect for cars, trucks, RVs, vans, buses, and more, this heater keeps you cozy wherever you go this winter. 3. GEARLASSO DH003, GEARLASSO 12-volt diesel heater, smart power, safe comfort. Stay warm and secure this winter with the GEARLASSO 12-volt diesel heater, engineered with AI-driven thermostatic control and proactive safety shutdown for total peace of mind. Its externally vented exhaust ensures clean, zero-emission warmth indoors, safe even for overnight use. With advanced tri-mode control, you can manage temperature from the LCD display, a 32-feet remote, or directly through the Bluetooth app, up to 98 feet away. The RapidTech heating system pumps out up to 17,000 BTU, heating spaces up to 269 feet squared in under 10 minutes, perfect for freezing conditions as low as 40 degrees Celsius. Plus, with EcoFuel Intelligence, it delivers 100% combustion efficiency and ultra-low fuel use, running quietly all night on a single tank. Whether for your RV, truck, boat, garage, or workshop, the GEARLASSO diesel heater combines smart safety, power, and eco-efficiency for professional-grade performance anywhere you go. 2. Kedite HF-QP-12000W 5-minute heat-up. If you want to stay warm all winter while saving on energy, the Kedite 12,000-watt diesel air heater is your perfect pick. It heats your car from freezing cold to a cozy 212-degree Fahrenheit in just 5 minutes and can run all night on a single tank of diesel. With ultra-efficient fuel use, only 1 gallon per night, it adjusts automatically to your car's temperature, saving up to 39% more fuel than traditional heaters. The all-in-one metal body is fully pre-installed. Just hook up the exhaust, connect power, and press one button. Choose between 12-volt or 24 volts, use the included 110-volt converter, and enjoy warmth anywhere: cars, trucks, RVs, boats, garages, even tents. Plus, it's whisper quiet, LCD controlled, and comes with a 98-feet remote and programmable timer for total comfort and convenience. Revolutionize your winter driving. Order your Kedite diesel air heater today. 1. Voyage F2 Stay Warm Anywhere with the Voyage diesel heater. This winter, embrace comfort like never before with the all-new aluminum casing body, breaking free from the limitations of old plastic heaters. Built tough and versatile, it's ready for any environment. With 5 kilowatts of powerful heating, 4,700 to 17,000 BTU, and a 12th rated voltage, it quickly warms up your space even in temperatures as low as -40 degrees Celsius. Designed for fuel efficiency, it consumes only 0.18 to 0.53 liters per hour, giving you long-lasting warmth while keeping noise levels low thanks to its silent fan, oil pump, and muffler. Enjoy ultimate convenience with both LCD and remote control operation, up to 30 meters range, plus easy Celsius-Fahrenheit switching. Whether you're in a truck, RV, camper, or boat, this heater is your perfect winter companion. With its 15-liter fuel tank offering up to 30 hours of continuous use, the Voyage diesel heater ensures you stay cozy, quiet, and comfortable wherever you go. Thanks for watching our roundup of the top 5 best 12-volt diesel heaters of 2025. Whether you're prepping for winter, camping off-grid, or keeping your van cozy, I hope this list helped you find the perfect heater for your needs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you won't miss our next product review. Have you used any of these diesel heaters before? Share your experience or recommendations down in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Check out all the product links in the description below for the latest prices and deals. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.